Come with me, trying to get fine and wine, fine as wine. You know what I'm saying? I just woke up. I just took me a shower. It is currently, what time is it? 5:46. I really like to be out the house by 5:45, but some mornings I don't care. I didn't get up and work out this morning, but I'm gonna work out whenever I get off work. So come get ready with me before work. I'm trying to be out the door. So yeah. I go in with my water faucet. Yeah. All right, so I'm dressed. Y'all, this used to be like super tight. Now look, y'all, I'm saying like skin tight. Shawty had to do that. Shawty couldn't breathe. I could not breathe, y'all, when I used to wear this. I used to try to think I was skinny. Girl, wasn't skinny nowhere. But yeah, this is a lot looser. Now let's tame this head. This is what y'all probably been waiting for me to do. I had a sewing, y'all. I dyed my hair. It's okay, you know. Y'all, and I had dyed my hair red before, and it seemed to not want to come out. But I'm not trying to get the color out on my leave out and until I take this sewing out. And then I'm gonna strip this red out and just go completely like this. So that's why my hair is red, y'all. So don't judge me. Judge me. I don't care, y'all. Because I'm about to show y'all. Yeah, put it out. See? Look, sorry.